All right, let's think about what we've learned today. We've learned that communities have people who can help us in emergencies. And we talked about our wonderful word. Let me share our screen here. Our wonderful word was emergency. Remember, an emergency is when something very dangerous is happening. And we need to listen to grown-ups who are in charge when there is an emergency. Okay, we're going to play a little game called Stand Up, Sit Down. This time when we play, I will name a person who does a job in our community. And you will stand up if that person helps in an emergency, or sit down if that person doesn't help in an emergency. So if they help in an emergency, stand up. If they don't, you're going to sit down. So we're going to start with, and I'm just going to go like this. Okay, so we're going to start with firefighter. Does that person help in an emergency? Yes, so we would stand up. Okay, what about a letter carrier? Does a letter carrier help you in an emergency? No, we're going to sit down. How about a baker? A baker is someone who makes things like cookies and stuff. Does that person help you in an emergency? A real emergency? Stay seated. What about a police officer? Does a police officer help you in an emergency? Supposed to stand up. What about a crossing guard? A crossing guard is somebody who helps you cross the street. Would that person be there to help you in an emergency? Yes, we're going to stand up. How about a doctor? Does a doctor help you in an emergency? Yes, we would stand up. What about the librarian? Is the librarian somebody you go to for an emergency? No, we're going to stay seated. Okay, that's the close of our lesson today.